Hello everyone, this video is recorded for the ICSE class 10 board students. So for 2026 board exam, there are some important topics which are very important in your ICSE board exam. So I am going to discuss history, civics and geography with you. First thing, remember, follow your syllabus. Okay, so whatever syllabus provided from your board, you must follow that. Some topics might be given extra in some other year's syllabus, and due to some change in syllabus, so in the coming years there might be some topics less you are getting. These things are happening, but remember, these topics whichever I am going to share with you is very very important. If you prepare notes on these topics, you will definitely get 100% result in your SST social science, history, civics and geography exam. Okay, so let's go and see. So first one, I already mentioned that the follow this topic list along with the current syllabus. Okay, current syllabus, this is a disclaimer. Next is the most important chapter of history and civics. So I have mentioned some important chapters from your history and civics portion. So let's see the civics, parliament and judiciary. This is very important. Okay. Next is forward bloc and INA, International Army. Okay. This is also important. Mahatma Gandhi and national movement, important. These all are chapters, important chapters. First War of Independence 1857. This is very very important. And the World Wars and ROD. These are also important. Okay. Next topic, three circumstances under which the parliament can make laws on state lease. These are our only topics. Above are chapter names. Okay. These all are chapter names from history civics which are important. Then I minutely study each and every topic from previous years and bring before you. So the first topic is this one. Second, the power of president, very important. Repeatedly they are asking question on power of presidents. What are the powers of president? You have to learn, make a notes on these topics. You will definitely get 100% 100% result. The third topic is what is question hour, quorum, no confidence motion. Okay, these all. One thing I just want to say that few topics are repeated, might be repeated. I have written out 2 or 3 times also. Sometimes this might happen due to while I'm analyzing or studying the previous year's question paper. During analysis, I have written that same topic 2 or more times. Okay, so ignore that. But you remember, these topics are very important. If you prepare one topic and it's again written in somewhere, so ignore that. Okay, this might happen, and this is my own analysis. Okay, so power of vice president in role of Rajya Sabha, and I am definitely sure from my topic list you will definitely get a questions, definitely, because I have minutely studied the last 10 to 15 years ICC pattern and wrote these topics for you all. You definitely get help from these. And one thing, remember, these topics are important not only for 2026 board exam, 2027, 20 up to the syllabus, till the syllabus is not changed. This is important. And this video is totally free. I'm not charging for this simple PDF, but I just work hard for you all, so you will get a benefit, all my dear students. But I'm not selling this at a price. Okay, because of so many teachers are selling their topic list. Okay, sometimes they prepare by themselves and they share by charging some fees. Okay, so I'm not charging anything. You will just check it out and just enjoy, make a notes on each and every topic and get a success in SST social science, geography, civic, history and civics. Okay, All subjects are important, but I am talking about my subject, so I am sharing it here. But also, obviously, in other subjects, you also minutely you have to study like this previous year's question paper. You have to analyze. I have analyzed SST for you, and this geography, history, civics, and you have to analyze your own subject also, other subject also. So it will helpful for you. Fifth is High Court and their jurisdiction. Sixth is doctrine of lapse. Seventh is how the British government impact on the India's social, religious, and political spheres. Okay, so eighth is revolt of 1857. Very very important. Ninth is mention three repressive policy of a Lord Lytton. Tenth is role of press. So what is the role of press on our national freedom struggle? 11th, the Indian National Congress, very important. Objective of Congress, all acts like Rowlatt Act, yes, important. Quit India Act, very very important. Civil disobedience, very very important. And all the world wars like Second World War cause. What are the causes behind the Second World War or First World War? Reasons for the failure of a League of Nations, very important. Just pick this topic, find in your book, and make a notes. Very easy, very simple. Okay, don't go here and there, don't buy others notes and study. Always make your own notes. If you buy others notes, there is no use of that, because you are not use your mind there. So well, you learn just cramp all thing, but that is not helpful for your future and also current exam. If you make a note by yourself, it's very cool. 18, the reason of attack on the Poland by Hitler. 19 is the writs issued by the High Court. 20, subsidiary alliance, very important. Quit India movement causes, importance. This is Surat split. Okay, this is a spelling error. There is a little bit spelling. This is Surat split, not Surat. Correct it. Okay. 23, two common ideologies of fascism and Nazism, very important, very important. Parliament ka, as per the syllabus, you will follow your parliament portions. Whatever topics in your syllabus mentioned regarding parliament, you will study. And one thing is very good, in your book, in corner of the first page of your chapter, one corner they have written what is the syllabus of ICSE from this chapter, what you have to study. Go according to that and follow my topics and make a notes. That's all. You will go suffice. And next is judicial review, very important. Original jurisdiction, 3 cases. Okay, so what are the 3 cases regarding original jurisdiction? These all are in your books. 3 policies. Queen Victoria proclamation, you have to mention the 3 policies which Queen Victoria proclamation list it mentioned. Consequences of revolt of 1857. Always a revolt of 1857 is very 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 important. 28th, second phase of Indian national movement. Okay, then 29, 4 provisions of Indian Independence Act of 1947. 30, function of Security Council. 31, 3 function of WHO. 32, 2 founder of NAM, non-aligned movement. 33, any 2 points, okay, regarding independence of judiciary from executive. I have written this in like this way, just watch properly. Any 2 points I have written, then under this there are subtopics like independence of judiciary from executive, only 2 points you have to study. Legislative powers of cabinet, 2 points. Repressive policy of Lord Lytton, 2 points. Mountbatten plan of Congress, 2 points. Objective of Muslim League, 2 points. Clauses of Treaty of Versailles, very very important, 2 points. Alliances formed in Europe before beginning of First World War, 2 points. 34, qualification of Lok Sabha, this is also very important. Legislative power of a union parliament, important. The way to control executive and parliament. 37, 3 types of emergencies. 38, legislative powers of president. 39, indirect election of president. 40, qualification of high court judge. 41 Lok Adalat advantage. What is the advantage of Lok Adalat? Important. Revolt of 1857, military and economic cause, very important. Policies of British to expand their political power in India, important. Causes of non-cooperation movement, important. Mahatma Gandhi and Lord Irwin signed a pact. While Mahatma Gandhi and Irwin signed the pact in 1931, that is also important. What is written in the pact and what are the importance of that pact, you have to study. Objective of forward bloc, very very important. Four contribution of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, important. Objective of Indian National Army, important. Three similarities between the ideologies of fascism and Nazism. What are the three similarities, no difference, of Nazism and fascism? Easily get in book. Everything is given in book. Just follow these topics and find the answers in your book, or either mark it or make your own notes. Is very better for scoring good. 50, the three consequences of a second world war, very important. Three consequences of the second world war. Causes of second world war, yes, four causes. These are almost same question. Three functions of the General Assembly, very important. General Assembly functions. And Security Council, read all topics regarding Security Council. Read all topics related to Security Council. Full form of UNESCO and its function, very important. Prime Minister and Council of Minister, important. Read these topics from book. Three powers of PM, important. Supreme Court, everything on detail, important. Reads, all the reads by Supreme Court you have to import. Read, okay, you have to read all these Supreme Power reads. Triple entity, this is also important. This is you will get it in your book syllabus. Immediate cause of First World War, important. Imperialism, important. Treaty of Versailles in a detail as per the current syllabus, very important. Immediate causes of Second World War, important. UN and its objective. International Court of Justice, important. Function of General Assembly. WHO and its function, important. True contribution of Bipin Chandra Paul in promoting nationalism, important. Reason for rise of fascism. Electoral college, powers of president. Economic, political, military causes of revolt of 1857. Dandi March 1930. And partition plan, important. Function of WHO, function of cabinet. Power of Indian Parliament, important. Veto power, very important. District judge, session judge, difference, important. Two contribution of Lala Rajpat Rai, Indian national movement, important. Triple alliance, important. Court of record, function of UNESCO. Two rival blocks and war to difference between the early nationalist and radical in national movement. Civil disobedience movement 1930, second round table conference 1931, ordinance, these all are important, all. Factor responsible for growth of nationalism, objective of Muslim League, principle of Panchsheel, very important. British administrative change, excuse me. British administrative changes led to war, important. Composition of United Nations agencies, important. Collective responsibility of cabinet, important. Mountbatten Plan of 1947 clauses, important. Session of Union Parliament, important. Appellate jurisdiction, go search these topics in your book or Google it and make a notes, because they will ask they will ask questions from these topics, definitely. Power and function of High Court, Khilafat movement, Home Rule movement, influence of Western education, very important. Contribution of Raja Ram Mohan Roy, very very important. Formation of Muslim League, reasons for Lok Sabha, more powerful than Rajya Sabha, removal of president, executive power of president, second round table conference, very important. Objective of United Nations, important. Finally, geography. I prepare a chapter list from geography, because geography is very vast syllabus also, and also very unpredictable questions they ask sometimes, but we can predict the chapters, which is very important for from the geography book. So I mentioned the chapter names. Mostly these chapters are very very important. If these chapters are in your syllabus, then only you will study, okay. You have to first check this chapter is in your syllabus or not. If it is not in a syllabus, you can leave any chapter, but these are important chapters. First, water resource, very important. Soil resource, natural vegetation, transport, waste management, climate, These are very important chapters. And next, they definitely ask topo sheet questions. Okay, like six figure grid, speed, distance, time calculation in a map, topo sheet map, direction in a topo map, left and right bank of river in topo map. These type of question they are asking. Definitely they are asking one question from topo sheet of 5 to 10 marks, and one more question 5 to 10 marks, outline map of India. They will ask 10 marks question. So whatever in your ICSE book mentioned, teachers share with you before the board exam, you have to prepare from there only. Maps you depend on your textbook. Okay, board exam. Few topics like climate data on table, like question asks. Every year they are asking. Okay, temperature and like um, these days this temperature. There are analytical data of a climate data is given one question. Picture based question very important. So you will carefully observe the pictures given in your book. It might be UNO picture. What is a, yeah, UNO motto, UNO picture, symbol, logo, signify this kind of, or any Hitler picture. They will give you and ask some questions regarding Hitler and with the picture. First you have to identify the picture, who is that. After identifying, they are asking what are the these, what these things are related to this person, so what is this, like this type of questions. Okay, see in backward questions. One match the following type question they ask generally. And difference between topics, difference between topics, like all the topics from this chapter you are selecting, that topics are sometimes they are asked the differences, like I'll give you one example, like perennial river or seasonal river, right to differences, like this kind of differences they will give. Okay, so these are important from geography side. Map is very important, topo map and general outline map. This both will carry 20 marks, and MCQ 10 to 15 marks, and other broad questions give you all over remaining marks, 20 marks. I think practical also there. So these all are important topics, and I think you want to take a screenshots of these pages, so I will definitely clear this all for you, so you will easily take a screenshots of these pages. Okay, for you only I am clearing this again, because you might take a screenshot of this and prepare notes on these topics. Okay, now it's ready. Now one by one I am zooming one pages, one by one. Okay, and you will easily take a screenshots. Just take a screenshot of these topics. Hope you took these screenshots. Okay, that's all for today. Please like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends this video. Okay, make a notes and please comment. Thank you.